Hey, what's up? What's going on, BitTorrent Holder? Today video is going very special for BitTorrent Holder, and I am sick, but I decide to make this video for my BitTorrent Holder brother. So this video is just for BitTorrent Holder. If you are not BitTorrent Holder, then please skip this video because this is not for you. So this is very informative video, guys, and very urgent. So please don't skip this video. Keep watch BitTorrent Holder. Let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I advise you to please subscribe this channel. If you are subscribed this channel, then remember I inform you a good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies and every situation like this time I am sick, but I provide you a content. So this is absolutely a very important informative video. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 day chart, the last 24 hours chart, and then I'm gonna show you the latest chart, and then we decide to what's going on, what we do. Okay, so BitTorrent Holder, don't skip this video. Let's get started. If you can see here, the chart has absolutely gone up, and last last hour, absolutely last 24-hour reason they said. But if you can see, they get starting straight, not a big jump, not a big dump, absolutely they gone straight. And those days, remember this, guys, in those days every cryptocurrency as goes down. Absolutely, BitTorrent is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You can see here the price is absolutely going like a rocket. The change is absolutely in the positive 28.02%. They are going up. So this is absolutely not a small change. You can see here no cryptocurrency like this. Absolutely, this is very fastest cryptocurrency. So guys, I think this is absolutely a good time to buy it. Absolutely, let's check out the latest price, and then we decide to this is sell time or hold time or buy time. So if you can see here, the changes as in the negative. Absolutely, this time every cryptocurrency goes down. You can see here the changes as negative. So this is, I think, the start of this month. Therefore every cryptocurrency as goes down. But if you can see here, the latest price is 0.012.16. BitTorrent Holder, remember this, absolutely the price has gone up day by day. So if the price is gone up in those days, then I think at the upcoming days, at the mid of this month, that the price easily crossed $1. My expectation as that too, I hope they can cross $1. What's your opinion? What's your expectation? Please share it in a comment box. This is absolutely a good and very special for me because I am also BitTorrent holder. BitTorrent is one of my favorite cryptocurrency, guys. You know, everybody know this. My brother, BitTorrent, absolutely my favorite cryptocurrency. So thanks for watching. See you next time. I am updating you every good news or bad news. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you're new on this channel, and don't forget to like video.